Dear law student, OCIs will not get you a job. My name is Marco Brown and I own Brown Family Law in Salt Lake City. OCIs are on-campus interviews. And look, OCIs get jobs for a very, very small percentage of law students. So if you get a job through an OCI, good for you, okay? The vast majority of people are not going to. You cannot rely on OCIs to get a job. What you can rely on OCIs for is to get practice interviewing for jobs, okay? So use that, like do as many of them as you possibly can because you need that skill set. You need to be able to be a good interviewee, right? So use them for that, but you're very unlikely to get a really good job through the OCI process. You are gonna have to go out and kind of beat the street, okay? You're gonna have to network with attorneys. You're gonna have to figure out your own way of getting a job because, like I said, OCIs are just not successful for the vast, vast majority of attorneys. So here's my advice rather than relying on OCIs. Figure out where you want to be after law school. Like if you're going to law school in Cincinnati and you want to practice in Denver, go to Denver, right? Network with as many attorneys as you possibly can in Denver. Get on LinkedIn, get online, whatever it is, figure out the people in the field that the practice area that want to practice in, and then find them online. Start emailing them, start communicating with them, start networking with them, do whatever you possibly can, okay? And do that for as long as you can in law school. So if you know what you want to do with the first semester of law school, start on it. Start that network right then. The bigger the network you have when you end law school, the more likely you're going to be to get a job, and a really good job, okay? Because even if one of the people in your network isn't hiring, but you've really taken the time to foster that relationship, that person's gonna help you find somebody else, okay? And that's how you find really good jobs in the law, is not looking on Indeed or these places. I mean, I put my jobs on Indeed, but really I'm trying to go out and find people, okay? And I'm trying to do that through referrals. I go ask other attorneys, if you were to hire or poach anybody from another law firm, who would it be? Or if you were to hire anybody out of law school, who would it be, right? I'm looking for those types of referrals. So even if that person that I'm contacting isn't hiring, like they can get a law student to me, all right? That's how you find a really good job. So you have to take responsibility for it, realize OCIs aren't gonna do it for you, and go beat that street, network, build those relationships. You're gonna find a really good job after law school. Okay, thanks for your attention. Until next time.